Okay, we are ready to fire up and season the new Timberline 1300 with the D2 Wi-Fi technology. So I have went ahead and added pellets into the hopper, and I'll go ahead and turn on the grill itself. And go ahead and turn on the display. And let's go and prime the auger. All right, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Go ahead and open the grill up. I've taken out the drip tray and also the first rack, and you can see that the auger is spinning. I don't have any pellets yet, so we'll keep an eye on the time and then come back. All right, we're about 1 minute out from the auger priming being complete. Initial impressions on this grill is that the grill itself with the D2 technology is silent. I had a Pro 22 before, and if the auger was spinning, so was the fan. They have separated that now, and the auger can spin independently of the fan, which creates a silent operation, really. You can see that the auger is still spinning there. We have about 25 seconds left on the clock. I'm starting to hear the pellets in the auger itself, and there they are. The first pellets are coming out of the chute, and looks like it's starting to hit the hot rod, and they are done. I'll go ahead and reassemble the grill for this initial seasoning. Okay, I went ahead and reassembled the Timberline 1300, put the drip pan back in place, put the first shelf back in place, and now that the priming is complete, I'm going to go ahead and set the grill to 350 degrees, and we are going to run that for 20 minutes. So I'll go ahead, I guess I got a little plastic there, take that off. I'll go ahead and ignite that. And there it goes. So the fan on the D2 technology is actually pulsating, and I can hear a few more pellets going into the hopper. Let's see if we have some smoke coming out of this pretty soon. The fan is turning on and off just to help ignite the fire pot. We could check the temperature here. It's at 81 degrees, which is the ambient air temperature right now. here at the end of August. I am starting to smell some smoke. Okay, we definitely have some smoke coming out. I'll go ahead and close the lid and let the grill warm up. So we're at 82 degrees. Let's take a look at the back here. Smoke starting to come out of the back vents of the grill. Alright, the fire has taken hold. We're in the preheating cycle, and you can see just how rapidly the grill is heating up. We're just a few degrees away from 350, and then I will set the timer. The grill got up the temperature very quickly. I would say the total elapsed time of this was probably 8 minutes tops. So let's go ahead and set the timer. For 20 minutes. And we'll come back to increase the temperature by then. Alright, we are under 1 minute now of the 350 degree mark in the seasoning process. Initial impressions are very quick to temperature. It holds the temperature very close to where you want it and have it set at. I would say there's a 5-degree fluctuation at best. Also, other than being quiet, the lid keeps the smoke in very well, and is sealed all the way around, which I'll show later. But they've done a really nice job on that too. So we're about 15 seconds away. To the next step, and here we go. So pump it up to 500. And then that will be set for 30 minutes once it reaches it. Alright, we're just a few degrees away from 500, and we will set the timer for 30 minutes. Press and hold, there it is. 30 minutes. Alright, so we'll come back and see how it is on the shutdown. Alright, we're under 30 seconds now of the last seasoning, or last part of the seasoning. I've noticed as I was watching this, the temperature runs about 5 to 10 degrees at the 500 mark on either side, either high or low. But it stays pretty darn close to 500 as the grill is stabilized. And that is it. So we'll go ahead and enter in the shutdown mode. And take a look inside the grill. Grill still looks pretty clean after going through all of the seasoning. Looking forward to many cooks.